Hello everyone, welcome back to AAS Publishing. This is module number 3 out of 4 in our ebook series, and in this module I want to cover ebooks that were published between 2018 and 2019. And just as a gentle reminder, if you have an idea for an ebook, send a summary of your idea detailing the topic, the concept, rough completion date, potential target audience, and also include a CV and contact details, and send it to aas.ebooks, and I will put that link in the video down below. So in this time frame between 2018, there were nine ebooks published, and we'll start off with 2018 December, and this was Astrophysical Recipes, The Art of AMUSE by Simon Portuguese-Zwart and Steve McMillan, and this outlines the fundamental computational astrophysics, focusing on the use of AMUSE, the astronomical multi-purpose software environment, which is a general purpose simulation environment written in Python. It has lots of links to state-of-the-art codes and weaves them all together. All the figures are reproducible with a simple script, and all of the scripts are available online to download and run, and so this is one example of the multimedia capability that you could include in your ebook. Number 2, and the first one for 2019, February, was Gas Phase Chemistry in Space, from Elementary Particles to Complex Organic Molecules, and this is edited by Francois Lequis and Alexandre Faure. Apologies if I mispronounced your name there, sorry. And this is a collection of articles that's written by experts in the field of astrochemistry. The book introduces essential concepts that govern the formation, excitation, and destruction of molecules, and it's written at a postgraduate and research level. This one goes down the interstellar medium and local galaxies corridor, headed up by Judy Pfeiffer. There are more than 100 figures in this ebook, as well as many examples, practical examples on calculating or observing some of the gas phase chemistry in space. Then we had a little bit of break, and we get a flurry of activity toward the end of 2019, and so we'll start in September 2019 when Extragalactic Novae, a historical perspective, from Alan Schaefter. He's also a AAS Journal scientific editor, and this one goes down the stellar corridor of the journals, and it takes the reader on a journey chronicling the study of a class of eruptive variables known as novae stella, and it's Latin for new stars. And these topics and more are recounted by an observer. Alan has spent more than 35 years studying and observing these objects, and it's a wonderful read on extragalactic novae. Do check it out. So that was September 2019. Another one in September 2019, also down the stellar corridor, was Time Domain Studies of the Andromeda Galaxy by Chien-Hsu Lee. And of course, M31 is our closest galaxy and is used as an example to walk readers through the ideas and techniques of time domain analysis of objects in the Andromeda Galaxy. And the purpose of the book is to prepare future generations of astronomers with the knowledge and tools to digest big data in time domain astronomy. Of course, sort of a major topic in the field these days, time domain. So we run into November 2019. We've got a series of ebooks coming out in the last few months of 2019. And the first one comes down the education corridor, that's the green and the icon there, and it's Astronomy Education, Evidence-Based Instruction for Introductory Courses by Chris Impey and Salen Buxner. And this one might be of particular interest in the current coronavirus epoch that I'm recording these videos on, so you definitely might want to check this one out. Chris and Frank have been doing a series on teaching online, and I'll put a link in that in the video description down below. And this one focuses on practical implementation of evidence-based strategies that are supported by the research literature on teaching astronomy education. And chapter topics include an overview of learner-centered theories and strategies for course design and implementation. It's a very nice read, particularly again in the current epoch, so I encourage you to check this one out from November 2019. In December of 2019, looks like we had 4, and it starts off with extreme solar particle storms, the hostile sun. And this is edited by Fusa Miyaki, Ilya Usokin, and Stefan Polyuyanov. Apologies on the name. This one goes down the solar corridor, whose lead editor is Leon Golub. And this compendium is written by leaders in corresponding aspects of extreme particle storms of the sun, and it presents a first systematic overview of the current state of the art as it is in December 2019. And some of the questions that are addressed in this fascinating read are: what could the most severe solar particle storms look like? Have we even had the most severe particle solar storms, or have those been in the past, or are they coming up in the future? Does the sun have an unlimited ability to produce severe storms? In other words, is there some time period over which severe storms, some phase of evolution that might give more solar storms? This is a nice read. I've gone through this one. Well worth checking out if you're interested in extreme events, solar particle storms. Also in December of 2019 was the cosmic 21 centimeter revolution, charting the first billion years of the universe. This is edited by Andre Messinger. Again, this is a contribution by experts. This one goes down the cosmology and galaxies corridor, and it gathers contributions from current leaders in this fast-moving field, definitely topical field these days, providing an overview for graduate students and a reference point for current researchers as of December 2019. And it reaches important decisions and talks about important decisions on techniques and future directions that are being made now that are going to impact 21 centimeter cosmology over the next decade or so. Nice read, check it out. Number 4 in December 2019 is the Doppler method for the detection of exoplanets by A.P. Hatzis. And it provides a deep understanding of the Doppler method, including how to achieve radial velocity, RV, measurement precisions, as well as the challenges, limitations, and potentials of the technique. And it comes down the exoplanet astrobiology corridor, headed up by lead editor Michael Endel. And it's an essential reference for researchers and graduate students in the field of exoplanets. So I've leafed through this one. It's very nice. It's well done. Lots of multimedia on this one. Check it out. Finally, in December of 2019, wrapping up this module, is the Chandra X-ray Observatory, Exploring the High Energy Universe by Belinda Wilkes and Wallace Tucker. And of course, this one goes down the high energy and fundamental physics corridor. It includes current reviews of the major discoveries and results by Chandra, authored by leading experts in each subfield. So again, this is a compendium, and it provides its readers with a comprehensive review of the mission of Chandra and thus far its potential future implications. Nice one on this one. Go ahead and check it out. That's what I had to say on this module on ebooks, published between 2018 and 2019, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.